All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjective. Popular. 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 When a lot of people like and trust something or someone. So he is a popular teacher. They are popular consultants. Yeah, how cool is that? He is a popular singer. Popular singer. They know some popular bars to go to. We will go to a popular city. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. They are the popular lessons. Yes, everyone goes to the popular classes. Yeah, why? Because everyone likes the popular teacher. Yeah, the popular dance teacher. How cool is that? Yeah. Running is a popular way, running popular exercise routine, exercise method. Running is popular. Very good. He used to be a popular person. Yeah, they are not popular anymore. I'm not sure what happened. I am not sure what happened. They are not popular anymore. I'm not sure what happened. Yeah. I'm turning out to be a popular teacher. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, a lot of people know, like, and trust me. I must be popular. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, he is becoming a popular writer. Yeah. Yeah. She wants him to be a popular writer. Popular. So a lot of people know, like, and trust him. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so popular. Now, can you write popular in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. By searching English with Adrian. Or simply Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.